Hey Shibu.
Hey Shibu, how is my engagement sari?
Inch lighter anta.
We missed you.
We really missed you, Shibu. Here it's looking lighter in the mobile, but actually it's dark. It's that color, you know, Shibu, what we bought. Remember my that temple border sari which you have in pink? It's the same color. It's in the mobile. It's looking little lighter. See, the design is traditional. I'll zoom in. Okay. Turn man pochi maridi. Okay, this is a pallu. This is a pallu. Ash border to jala. This is the border. It's like auntie's that off-white sari ata, green and maroon. Turn the sari. This green and maroon with blue. It's not the bright blue, it's the dark blue with the green tinge. Ita era battada disturb antandule. Onji nimsha Shibu.
Hello?
Ha.
Hey, engagement sari utunda.
Hey, see the blush here, Shibu. She's talking to Vinu there. Vinu. She's talking to Vinu. Too much, yeah. Nana sari toj pao chala anda.
Shetty is shooting this to show it to Shibu. Okay?
It's plain Maya, wa Shibu.
She got Vinu's call. See how she responds.
It's looking bright in the mobile.
No, her mobile.
Okay, Shibu, we'll shoot and we'll show you next time. This is her engagement sari. Hey, can you hold the sari, Asha, on yourself?
Not a bandera.
Onchu rulai polo.
Not a bandera.
It's nice when she drapes it. It looks really nice. Okay, Shibu, we'll talk to you soon now. Okay, bye. Allah nataka onchu jase andundu. Shele. Okay, Shibs. Bye, Shibs. We'll call you and we'll tell you today was an eventful day. Saakhatane ingutare bena undundi Shibu. Bye, Shibu. Miss you. Really miss you. Bye.